Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the temperature switch on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because you're not getting the right water temperature in your washer. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4 inch nut driver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to have to turn our washer around and take some screws out. So in order to get the control console off, we're going to have to undo 4 screws. You've got these 2 screws up here, and then 2 screws that are inside right there. We're going to start with our 1/4 inch nut driver, and we're going to remove this screw here. Now I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the other 2 screws. There we go. And these screws actually don't come out of there. They kind of just stay right there. Now that those screws are out, what we can do is push our console forward and just lean it down now. So right here's our temperature switch. That's what's going to control the knob up front with the cold or the hot water. So before you replace this, the other thing you might want to do is just to double check the water and make sure that your water inlet hoses are going to the proper sides. So your hot water from the hot water pipe is going into your hot water inlet, and your cold water is going into the cold water inlet. But if you've done that already and you're still not getting the temperature you need, you're going to replace this. So we're going to unplug right here. And there's just a little tab on this side, so you're going to squeeze that as you unplug it. And now we'll take off the front knob here, and that just pulls straight off. And now what we need to do is right under here, there's a tab that goes into a hole there, and we just need to pull that up, and then the entire piece will twist, and you'll twist that to about a 45-degree angle and pull it out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement temperature switch. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So what we're going to do is we've got a square hole here and kind of like a square peg here. So we're going to fit the square peg into the square hole. And once you got that in the hole, you'll just twist it until that clicks into place right there. And now we'll plug the wires back in. And now we can put the knob back on. Now we're going to put our console back into place, and we're going to slide the top over the metal here, just like that. And you're going to want to make sure that the straps are on the outside so you can screw them back in. As you do this, you're also going to want to make sure that the clips on the bottom of the console are inside the bottom holes right here. Now we can screw everything back in. There we go. And once you've got those screwed in, you can turn everything back around, plug it back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.